Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to combine multiple clips into one video using Clipchamp. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and log into your account. Click Create a new video to open a fresh project. In the editor, use the Import Media button to bring in all the video clips you want to combine. Select your clips from your computer, then click Open. They'll appear in the media library on the left. Take a moment to confirm all the clips you need are visible and ready to use. Now, drag each clip from the media library down onto the timeline in the order you want them to play. Use the timeline to rearrange clips by dragging them left or right until the sequence looks right. If needed, trim clips by dragging their edges inwards so they start and end exactly where you want. Press play to review the full sequence and make any final adjustments to timing or order. When you're happy, click the Export button, choose your resolution, and start exporting. Clipchamp will render your project as a single combined video file, ready to share anywhere.